Our show exists today is because of what happened on 9/11 in 2001. So for the people that lost their lives and for everything that happened in America on September 11, 2001, let's just have a moment of silence, please. Thank you very much. It's with great pleasure that I'm going to introduce a fabulous entertainer, a young lady that I've seen grow through the years and develop into a beautiful entertainer. Without further ado, Jackie DiMaggio singing God Bless America.
Thank you.
Stand beside her and guide her through the night with a light from above. From the mountains to the prairies to the oceans wide with foam. God bless America, my home sweet home. Everyone. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with a light from above. From the mountains to the prairies and to the oceans wide with foam. God bless America, my home sweet home. From the mountains to the prairies and to the oceans wide with foam. God bless America, my home sweet home. God bless America. God bless Thank you so much.
Come on, give it up for Jackie DiMaggio. The Italian American Idol winner will be leading the New York City Columbus Day Parade and singing in front of St. Patrick's Cathedral on October the 10th. Jackie and all her entertainment will be at Ursuline High School for a big end-of-the-year car show October 16th. Don't miss her at the Oldies Show at Stepinac High School on October 29th with the Duprees and Kid Kyle and more. Tickets are for sale. She also has CDs with her. Look for Jackie DiMaggio and Christopher Macchio for their upcoming events in Atlantic City's Golden Nugget and the Mohegan Sun in December. Okay, Jackie's going to come up and sing a couple more songs for us. And again, thank you all for coming out. Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jack. How's everyone doing out there? Yeah? You good, huh? We got a nice big crowd here. Thanks for coming out once again. Pleasure to be here. You can go into the first song, Bobby. I'm gonna dedicate this song to all of those smooth operators, all those hot cars out there. So please don't be shy. You can come up to the bleachers. I'd love to meet you after I get off the stage today. We're gonna have a fun time. I'm gonna do some entertaining, and we got some great entertainers coming out for you later, so please stick around. Out to all my smooth operators out there. Face to face. Each classic case.
and I can't touch the sky. I know that I'm alive. Yeah. When you bless the day, I just drift away, and all my worries die. I'm glad that I'm alive. You set my heart on fire. You fill me with love. You made me a woman on clouds above. Yeah, I couldn't get much higher. My spirit takes flight, 'cause I am light. Whoa, when you pull on me, when I hear you breathe, I feel like I'm alive. I am alive. When you reach for me, God knows that I'll be the one standing up through good and through trying times, and it's only begun. I can't wait for the rest of my life. When you hold me, oh, when you call on me, when you reach for me, when you reach for me, I can raise to fly. I feel like when you bless the day, when I just drift away, all my worries die. I know that I'm alive, and I get wings to fly. God knows that I'm alive.
Thank you so much. This
Tonight you're mine, come believe me. You give your love so sweetly. Tonight the light of love is in your eyes. But will you love me tomorrow?
before she performs this last song, John and Joe would like to acknowledge the fact that Jackie does so much for the police department. And we're presenting to Jackie DiMaggio in grateful appreciation for your outstanding singing voice and gracing us with the rendition of the national anthem. Thank you from the East Coast Classic Car Association, Orchard Beach Car and Motorcycle Show, September 25th, 2016. Again, thank you all for coming.
Hey, Jackie! You deserve that.
Thank you so much. What an honor. Thank you. This last song that I'm going to do, thank you all for listening today, for coming out to Orchard Beach. It was a great pleasure to be here. And this last song I'm going to do is called New York. And I'd like to dedicate this to all the men and women who serve our country out there, all the NYPD who are here today, all the NYPD who keep us safe each and every day. I thank you all because you guys have the hardest jobs out of everyone. So this goes out to you. Thank you.
Streetlights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, 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 yeah. New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Hearing from New York, New York, New York.
Thank you so much, Orchard Beach. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless.